So, unlike the first selection, these cell lines are a little bit more to do with the film aspect. So, I have an idea of what film I'm going to use, and I know that I'd like it to be either a comedy, a romance, or an action. Those are my three which I'd like to do. So, I know that just by looking at this one first, the ones which really jump out to me, which should be the main cell line, is A Story of the Untold. Don't know why I didn't put a gap in there, but ignoring that. Chills to the Bone, or Words at Gunpoint. I think that these really stand out, and they're a little bit like, oh, okay, I'm going to see what that's all about, which is what I basically want to happen. Moving on to this one. I don't really know what I was thinking. These are a little bit more random, if I'm honest. Fabulous, Movie Mania, You and Me, Crystal Clear, Mystery, Strange Feeling. I think that the majority of these could be used as secondary cell lines, or the less major ones, just because they don't grab the attention, they don't get the audience roped in just by the words, which is a little bit annoying, but I suppose I do need the other cell lines, so that worked out quite well. So, as these are all to do with the movies, and the ones above are more to do with the fashion aspect, I'm going to have to mix and match and see which ones work together, and just work with the images, or the models which I've got. Yeah.